Thousands of new designs daily, printed on just about anything, is being sold by independent artists right here. So guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step process on how to use Leonardo AI to start a Redbubble print on demand. There's no risks involved in print on demand business for beginners. It is one of the best business that you do not simply need to have any skill. You just simply need to make use of the right AI image generation to create your design, and then boom, you are good to go and you are able to create passive income online. So right here guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily create your design while using Leonardo.ai and go right onto redbubble.com to create and upload your designs right. So guys, without no further ado, let's dive right into the video. So simply go onto Leonardo.ai, whereby you can unleash your creativity right here, and click on to create an account with no credit card required, and it's going to take you right onto the Leonardo.ai dashboard. So once you're right here, simply scroll down. As you can see, there are a lot of images that you can actually make use of to create your own design. So right here guys, I'm just going to look for a particular design that fits my needs right here. So guys, I can start to make use of this particular booklet right here. So all I need to do is to tap on this. So once I'm right here, this is the image. It's looking so amazing. I can decide to download this particular image. I can also decide to just copy out the prompt. And once you don't copy it out to your prompt, you want to simply go onto the image generation tool and simply paste in that particular prompt right here. So once you're done, click on to generate. Awesome guys, this is so amazing. We have been able to create this particular booklet right here. So all you want to do, simply download the particular one you love. I'm just going to make use of this right here and tap onto download image. You can also just make use of this to make your image look so amazing. So once you're done downloading your design, the next thing you want to do, go onto redbubble.com, simply sign up by simply putting in your email address and password, and it's going to take you right onto the redbubble.com dashboard. So once you're right here, you can easily explore some designs right here, and these are some designs that is being chosen for you, designs for you, so you can easily pick any of your choice. But right here guys, what I want to do, I can simply go onto phone cases right here and tap on all phone cases. And right here, once you're on the phone cases, these are some of phone cases that has been designed by a lot of users right there, so you can easily just design something that looks exactly like this. So simply go onto the account section and tap onto sell your art right here, and you are right here guys on the redbubble.com studio. So once you're right here, you can easily just complete this step right here to open your shop and start selling your art. Alright, I'm just going to show you how you can easily upload your design. So click on to add new work, and once you're right here, upload new work or copy an existing work. So you want to simply upload your new work right here. So you tap onto that right there, select your design, and once you're done selecting your design, as you can see, this is being uploaded right here. So this is our design. The next thing guys, put in your title, descriptive title that explains your work. So I can easily decide to just paste in my title. This is it. So once you're done, you can add in some tags right here. You can decide to add in flowers, as you can write up to 15 tags separated by comma. So once that is done, share your story or the meaning behind your work. I'm just going to paste the same thing right here. And once you're done, these are some product previews right here. This is it on clothing. I do not want that to be on clothing right here, so I'm just going to scroll down right here. I can just simply go on to enable this right here, so it can easily be on a sticker right here. On phone cases, I can decide to just enable this right here. So once you're done, mouse pad, I can enable this right here. Simply just scroll down. You want to simply enable one you prefer right there. So this is it. So once you're done, any of this product that you simply enable, you can easily go into the edit section and edit them. So I can go into the edit section of this particular phone case right here and simply scroll down. This is how it actually looks like. You can easily select your background color, make this to be yellow, can make this to be black. It all depends on you. You can scale your image, choose the pattern, and once you're done, click on to apply changes right there. So once you're done with all of that right here, you're done editing the product. So you want to simply scroll down right here. So once you're right here guys, the next thing you want to do, To select your media, select up to two, so I can decide to make use of design and illustration and digital art. So once you're done with that, go on to the collection section. Is this a match or content? Simply tap on to know right here. You can view this. Anybody agree to the Redbubble user and simply tap on to save work right there. And you have been able to save your work right there. As you can see, processing has been complete right there. So this is how you can easily add in your product on redbubble.com. And once you're done completing your shop, as you can see, so once you simply just complete the setup of your shop, you are done generating this particular product right. So guys, this is how you can easily just create a design by making use of Leonardo AI, and come right on over to redbubble.com and simply just upload that particular design right here. So this is how it actually looks, and it's looking so amazing. So throughout this step that I have showed you right here on this video, if you want to simply learn how to make cool cash online by making use of print on demand.